Hi guys, welcome back to another video और आज हमारे पास आएगी तो ब्रांड न्यू 2023 Kia Seltos फेसलिफ्ट इन ब्लैक। ये है ग्लॉस ब्लैक में और कस्टमर की रिक्वायरमेंट थी कि उनको मैट पसंद आया था बिकॉज हमने एक दूसरी ग्रीन मैट भी की थी, तो उन्होंने वो वाला वीडियो देखा और बोला मेरी गाड़ी ऐसी ही बना दो। सो ये वाली गाड़ी वो करने वाले इन अ मैट ब्लैक फिनिश विद मैट PPF। तो ये गाड़ी का जो लुक आप देख रहे हैं ये लास्ट लुक होगा ग्लॉस में, इसके बाद आप इसको देखो इन अ मैट फिनिश। एंड ये गाड़ी बहुत ज़्यादा अलग लगने वाली है बाकी सेल्टोस से। एक्स लाइन आती है येस, बट दैट्स इन अ ग्रे, बट मैट ब्लैक इज़ नॉट अवेलेबल विद किया एट द शोरूम। तो अगर आपको मैट ब्लैक कराना है यू कैन गेट इट डन विद अस। सो इफ यू लुकिंग एट कार PPF कोटिंग इन पुणे, वेल वी डू दैट ऑन ऑल कार्स वेदर ग्लॉस और मैट। इस गाड़ी का we're also going to be doing some red strips along the front and the back, and we're going to be painting the calipers of this car red as well ताकि थोड़ा कलर एलिमेंट आ जाए गाड़ी पे। दैट्स व्हाई वी डूइंग अ रेड एंड ब्लैक काइंड ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट। बट यस, स्टेप बाय स्टेप आप देखते रहिए हम इस गाड़ी पे क्या करने वाले हैं एंड हाउ वी गोना डू द एंटायर प्रोसेस ऑफ PPF। So guys, finally the next step that we did is paint correction. आप पूछेंगे why to do paint correction on matte PPF, but it needs to be clarified when the paint comes in from the factory. There's still sometimes a lot of chemical contamination on the paint which needs to be cleared along with tar, which is why we do a full paint correction even before installing a matte PPF. We're not trying to get extra shine out in the paint, but what we're trying to do is to clarify the paint so that when the PPF sits, it sticks to the paint and doesn't really come off. So that's why we do a paint correction. And now after this, we're going to be applying the PPF on the paint. So you'll see this is the last of the gloss look that you're seeing. We're going to see the matte look of this black next. We've removed the handle, जैसा आप देख सकते हो, needs to be removed ताकि जब sheet पूरी लगी, it comes in one full sheet. We're not going to be doing a cut to install it inside as well. That's why सारे handle जैसे आप देख सकते हैं have been removed. Roof rails are vanished. The roof rails also have been removed ताकि when you put the sheet on top, there is no cutting made anywhere, along with the antenna. So if you notice, the antenna on this car has also been removed so that the sheet can stick without cutting it at any point in place. Now we remove the tail lights because we're going to be tucking in the PPF inside. That's why we have to remove the tail lights. अगर PPF आपको अच्छे से करना ही है तो आपको ये सब parts निकाल के करने हैं ताकि there are no cuttings anywhere on the car. That's why all the tail lights and all these parts are removed ताकि जब PPF हो हम अंदर उसको डाल दें without any cuttings और आपको दिखे नहीं। एंड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है जब आप मैट PPF करा रहे हो, बिकॉज मैट अगर आप ग्लॉस टू मैट कर रहे हो तो कहीं पे भी ग्लॉस नज़र नहीं आना चाहिए। दैट्स व्हाई इट नीड्स टू बी टक्ड इन परफेक्टली। So guys, we're finally done with the car, and like you've seen in the after shots, ये गाड़ी थी पहले gloss and we've converted to matte with the help of matte PPF. And this is a satin matte PPF, not just matte PPF, to give it that deep matte effect, because easy नहीं होता है to take a gloss car and convert it to matte without painting it and still give it that finish. So you've seen the entire process of us putting the PPF and what we did before that. You're also supposed to buff out the paint like we showed you with the paint correction. Even though we're trying to make it matte, we still do that so that the application process becomes a lot easier. लोग वो नहीं करते हैं, but that is supposed to be done so that the application is much better. So I hope you like watching this video and seeing this car getting converted from what it was to what it is now, along with the red caliper also that we did and the red striping that we have done throughout the car. This doesn't come with the car. It used to come with the earlier GT line. It doesn't come with the current generation one. So yeah, overall I think the car looks a lot better than what it was. थैंक यू सो मच।